Hello students, Standard 5th Subject Mathematics. Chapter 6 Angles. Students, today we are going to learn about types of angles according to measurement and parallel lines and perpendicular lines. In last lecture, we have learned how to measure the angle and draw angles. Now see in your maths textbook, page number 38. Here are types of angles. Right angle. The angle between line or arm AB and BC is 90 degree. So angle ABC is a right angle. It means definition of right angle is angles of measure 90 degree are called right angles. Next, acute angle. See, angle name is RST and measure of angle RST is less than 90 degree. 90 degree means right angle. So, angle is less than a right angle. So, the definition of angle, acute angle is an angle which measures less than a right angle is called an acute angle. Angle RST is an acute angle. Next, obtuse angle. See, in this figure, angle LMN is measures more than 90 degree. It means that is more than a right angle. So, angle is obtuse angle. Now, the definition of obtuse angle is an angle which measures more than a right angle is called an obtuse angle. So, angle LMN is an obtuse angle. Now, the next topic is parallel and perpendicular lines. Parallel lines. Students, you can see these two lines do not intersect or cut each other. These are parallel lines. The lines shown are not of equal length, yet they are parallel to each other. Now, what are parallel lines? Parallel lines do not intersect. That is, they do not cut each other, no matter how far they are extended on either side. Some examples of parallel lines which we see in our daily life. In the first picture, the bars on the window in the picture are parallel to each other. Now see the picture of ladder. The steps on the ladder in the picture are parallel to each other. And the vertical legs of the ladder are parallel to each other. Now one more example, that is railway track. Here we also see parallel lines. Next, perpendicular lines. When two lines form an angle of 90 degree with each other, they are said to be perpendicular to each other. To show that two lines are perpendicular, a symbol is shown, the figure is drawn between them. Examples of perpendicular lines. Two adjacent sides of your notebook. The two adjacent sides of your notebook make a right angle. So the two sides are perpendicular to each other. The another example is the angle formed by a pole and its shadow on the ground is 90 degree or a right angle. One more example of perpendicular line is two hands of clock showing 3 o'clock time. The two hands make angle of 90 degree. So, hands of clock are perpendicular to each other. Take a ruler and draw lines along both the sides of ruler like this. Now see, both the lines are parallel to each other. They are called parallel lines. Now see here, both the lines are parallel to each other? No. Why they are not parallel to each other? Because when we extended both the lines, they meet on a single point. See here, extend the first line, this one, and when you extended this line, this, they meet on this point. So the lines are not parallel to each other. Now see here, the two lines are intersect each other and they make the angle of 90 degrees. So they are called the perpendicular line. Look at this page of a notebook. There are horizontal lines and this line is vertical lines. Now the horizontal lines on the paper are parallel to each other. The lines are not meet at a point. They not cut each other. So the lines are parallel to each other. Now see the vertical margin line. On this line is vertical margin line. This line make a right angle between this vertical line and this horizontal line. Make a right angle. So they are perpendicular to each other. So this line is perpendicular to this line. This one is perpendicular to this one. This one is and this both the horizontal lines are parallel to each other. And one vertical and one horizontal make a perpendicular line. Students, let's solve questions of problem set 27. Problem set 27, question number 1. Give two examples of parallel lines you can see in your environment. Students, here we write any two examples of parallel lines which we see in our surrounding. Answer. First example is bars on the window and second example railway track. Students, you can also write any other examples which you find in your surrounding. Now question number 2. Give two examples of perpendicular lines you can see in your environment. Here we write examples of perpendicular lines which we see in our surroundings. Answer. First example is adjacent sides of notebooks and second pole and its shadow on the ground. Question number 3. Look at the pictures given below. Decide whether the lines given in each picture are parallel or perpendicular to each other and write the answer in the box. In this question, we have to find whether the given lines are parallel or perpendicular to each other. Two answers are already given to us. First, parallel lines. Parallel lines means which do not cut or intersect each other. Second one, perpendicular lines. Perpendicular lines means the two lines meet at a point and make angle of 90 degree. So these lines are perpendicular lines. Now look at the third picture. Both the lines are not meet each other. So they are parallel lines. Next, they are also parallel lines. Now look at the last picture of lines. They cut each other and make angle of 90 degree. So they are the perpendicular lines. Students, now I hope you all understood today's topic. Keep practicing. Thank you.